Hi, third graders, how are you? Okay, this lesson is for the Blue Belt, song number 6, When the Saints Go Marching In. So if you have already played Old MacDonald Had a Farm and you sent me the video and I congratulated you, then you are ready to move on to the next song. So When the Saints Go Marching In is a familiar marching jazz song. Some of you may know it, but some of you may not. So I'm going to sing it for you and then I'll play it for you. Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, Lord, I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in. Okay? Now, when I play it, it's going to sound a little bit higher. It starts on a G. I'll play it slower because I don't want you to feel like you have to play it that fast. We're only using the left hand, but we're using 2 new notes, C and D. If you played Miss Mary Mac, you have learned the high C. C. If you played It's Raining, you have not learned that yet. It's just A with lifting up the top finger, okay? So put your fingers in A, lift up the pointer finger, and that's C. D, high D, not low D, is just lifting up the thumb. So look, you only have your second finger on the second hole for D. C, D, C, D. So you really have to support the recorder with your right hand. Okay, let me play it for you once, then I'll teach it to you. Okay? The first 2 phrases are exactly the same. You just do G, B, and then you're going to go to your new note, C. So you just flip-flop the first and second finger. Then you just pick up your thumb for D. I know it's going to be weird at first. Let's just go back and forth from C to D a few times. So here's C. Okay, put your fingers in A, lift up your pointer finger, and we're going to play half notes like this. Ready? Go. C, D, C, D, C, D. So you can get used to that since it's new. Okay? So here we go. Here's the first phrase. And you hold that D for 5 counts because that's a whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's tied to a quarter note, 1. So that's 4 plus 1 equals 5. That's what that line between those notes mean, okay, on the word saints. Hold it for 5 counts. Here we go. So it's G, B, C, D. Let's do that again because the second phrase, go marching in, is exactly the same. G, B, C, D. Okay? So let me play it one phrase at a time and then you echo me right at the beginning. Ready, go. G, B, C, D. Let's do that again. Ready, go. G, B, C, D. The third phrase, which is at the end of the, right here, okay, right here we're playing. It starts off the same, but then it gets a little bit different here, okay? So it's G, B, C, D, B, but then we do G, B, A. Try that with me. End of this first line. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Here we go. You end on an A, okay? Oh, I want to be in that number. Oh, we're gonna start right here, okay, on a B. And if you wanna write these notes in, that is absolutely fine with me, okay? C and D are right down here to show you that C is on the third space and D is on the fourth line. And you should know B, A, and G by now. Okay. Anyway, you can pause this if you want to write the notes in, but let's keep going. So we're starting in the middle of the song at O. Just B, A, G. Let me do that again. Going on, you stay on G. That's probably the hardest part of the song because you have to go from B to D. B to D, which is actually harder than C to D because right now you're gripping the recorder with your first finger and thumb, and then for D, you have to just let those fingers go and push down with your second finger on the second hole. So that's why it's really important to support the recorder with your right hand, okay? So let's take it from O. Oh, I want to be, and that's kind of funny because the word is be and it is B. B, then switch in that number and you put your finger down for C. So let's just try B, D, D, D. Again. You may want to pause this and practice that a few times. Now we're going to go on. So I'm going to start from B, then do D, 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 C. Okay, here we go.